Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, did your item expire or not sell on Vinted? It's totally fine, don't even worry about it, you can always relist and give it a second chance. So, sometimes all you need is better timing or even a small price change. So relisting can boost basically visibility and even attract new buyers. So here is how to actually relist an item the right way. So let's get started fast and easy as usual. You can basically use the Vinted app if you are on Android or even iOS. You can even go through the Vinted.com if you want to. It all depends on you. So as for me now, I'm gonna go through Vinted.com. Just tap on the website here. Then go all the way. Log in using your email address and password so you can access this dashboard. As for now, I'm gonna go and tap on my profile here, then tap on profile. Then go all the way to my listings here. So now you will be able to see all of your basically selling items or listing item. Find the expired or inactive item, then select relist if available. Update the photos, description, or even price if needed. Then you can tap upload to publish again. So if relist isn't available, you can duplicate the listing manually. Just make sure to copy the details and upload as a new listing. I will show you how. So tap on list now. Okay, we're gonna wait, then go all the way, upload new photos, add a new title. You can even copy the description if you want to, describe your item, type it here. Then select the same category, for example, women, men, kids, sports, whatsoever. Select a new price or the same price, then tap on upload. So as for some tips, refresh photos before relisting is almost necessary. It will basically help you improve the quality. Adjust the price slightly to improve interest. Relisting during peak times, evenings or even weekends can increase views, so keep it in mind. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.